Hey guys, Got Level here, and today we're going to be talking about SUBtember 2018. So if you guys don't know what SUBtember is, it's sort of an annual sale on Twitch. I believe last year all subs were half price for the whole month of September and a little bit of October. But this year, apparently, because it hasn't been officially announced yet, it's going to be focused on gifted sub. Now, as you all know, there is a new feature when gifting sub called community gifting. I made a whole video about this, gonna be top right of your screen. And basically, if you have a sub that has been gifted to you and is still active over the month of September, then you can renew this sub. First of all, this is a first. Usually, if someone gifted you a sub, you can't really renew it. You have to just go sub by yourself manually. But now, not only you can renew it, but you'll be able to renew it for $1. And the streamer will get the full price of the normal sub because Twitch will cover the rest. So yeah, much like last year, basically it's gonna be a discount on subs in a way, but there's more details now because it has to be gifted sub and it's the people who got gifted the sub that has to renew. But as always, the streamer always get the full price, which is awesome. In my opinion, it's a little bit unfortunate that you can't just sub for $1. This sub has to be gifted to you. If you don't have people to gift you subs, or if you don't watch like big streamers that get random gifts all the time, then your chances of getting a $1 sub are very limited. But still, it's a cool gesture from Twitch. But as I said, this hasn't been announced officially yet. Basically, the image you're gonna see on screen right now, this was taken during a broadcast from the Twitch staff that were at PAX. It's an event, but they haven't tweeted officially about it. They have nothing on the blog. It wasn't even on the Trolley. Is it Trolley? Trello, which is a place where the Twitch devs put on different tasks they're working on. But I promise, as soon as they post anything about it, I will put them in the description of the video. If they have an official blog article about it, so you guys can have all of your questions answered, I will put them in the description as soon as I get them, as soon as they go up. But that's about it. I just wanted you guys to know about this amazing news, and hopefully they won't change anything about it since they already broadcasted that image. But we'll see. Maybe they'll add some more stuff. But in the meantime, if you want to shoot me a message, you can do so on Twitter at level_photo. You can also follow my Twitch channel, that is twitch.tv/GelLevel. If you want to keep up with what I'm doing on video and photos, you can follow me on Instagram, that's at gel.level. And if you're looking for some dope overlays to make your streams look good, go on gumroad.com/GelLevel. I have some pretty cool overlays there. A lot of them are free and the rest is just super cheap. If you haven't started streaming yet, or you are using another software to stream, consider downloading Streamlabs OBS. I will have my own affiliate link in the description. If you click on that link and install from that link, I get a little bit of money, but charity gets a little bit of money too. So consider it. But that's it from me, guys. I will see you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching. Get Level out.